Hi everyone. Today, let's explore epistemology, the fascinating study of knowledge, in just 2 minutes. Epistemology is the philosophical study of knowledge. What it is, where it comes from, and how much we can really know. The word comes from the Greek episteme, meaning knowledge, and logos, meaning reason or study. Epistemologists ask big questions like, what does it mean to know something? How do we justify our beliefs? Can we ever be certain about anything? These questions have been central to philosophy since the time of Plato and Aristotle. Most philosophers agree that for something to count as knowledge, it needs 3 things: belief, truth, and justification. In other words, you have to believe it, it has to be true, and you need good reasons or evidence for believing it. There are different approaches within epistemology. Empiricists think knowledge comes mainly from our senses and experiences, while rationalists believe reason and logic are the main sources. Some philosophers, called skeptics, question whether we can ever really know anything for sure. Others focus on how knowledge works in science, morality, or everyday life. So, epistemology helps us understand how we know what we know and why we sometimes get it wrong. It's a key part of philosophy, and it shapes how we think about truth, evidence, and belief. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this quick explanation, like and subscribe for more philosophy made simple.